Alright, so I was messing around with my Google Home and I found out that you can use your Google Home to make your Nest Hello respond to people at the door, similar to how you would in the Nest app. These are just 3 that I found, so let me know if you find any more. Thanks for watching.
Okay, tell them to leave it.
Okay, I'll let them know.
Hi there. You can just leave it. Thanks.
Okay, tell them I'll be right there.
Sure, I'll let them know.
Just a sec. We'll be right there.
Okay, tell them I can't come to the door.
Okay, I'll let them know.
Hi there. No one can answer the door right now. We'll be notified you stopped by.